Hello kids, today I am draw ice cream. Let's start and draw them together. Yellow color.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Green
One
color.
for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master,
Dark green
one
color.
for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Baba, black sheep,
Have you any wool?
yes sir, 3 bags full.
Brown color.
One for my master, one for my dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Green color. Red color. Pink color. Dark pink color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there,
Brown color.
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig,
Yellow color.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on
Dark yellow color.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
Yellow color.
there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep,
Brown color.
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Sketch time.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Audio Jungle.